You're watching how to block quick settings on Samsung lock screen. This enhances lock screen security by preventing access to toggles like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Open the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Scroll down and tap Lock Screen. Within the lock screen settings, look for an option called Secure Lock Settings or Security and Lock Screen. Tap on it. You may need to enter your current PIN, pattern, or password to proceed. Now look for a setting labeled Show Lockdown option or Lockdown mode and ensure it's enabled. This is a different feature. To block quick settings, you need to find notifications on lock screen or lock screen notifications. Tap on that, select Hide Content or Don't Show Notifications. More importantly, look for quick settings or status bar on the lock screen. There should be a toggle for Show Quick Settings panel or Allow access to quick settings. Toggle this setting off. The exact wording varies by model and One UI version. Another method is through the Other Security Settings menu. In Settings, search for Device Admin Apps or Smart Lock and ensure no admin app is overriding this setting. If you use a third-party lock screen app, check its settings. The most definitive method is to set a strong screen lock PIN or password and ensure the secure lock settings prevent lock screen customization. Once disabled, swiping down from the top on the lock screen will not open the quick settings panel, keeping your toggles secure. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.